Another exciting vocab lesson. This is week 20 for my 6th grade students, and here are the words this week: stealth, ravine, tuft, sylvan, sanctuary, and ophidian. Let's go ahead and jump right into the words this week. The first word this week is stealth. Stealth. Now, this is a noun, so it is a thing, and it means secret, clandestine, or surreptitious procedure. It can also be an adjective if you describe someone as being stealthy. So it really means being secret or unknown or not telling people what you're doing. So oftentimes, cats can be very stealthy as they're hunting for their prey. I love kind of spy movies like James Bond and Mission Impossible and the Jason Bourne movies, where the main character is a stealthy agent for the CIA. So stealth is when you do something in secret that no one knows about. Synonyms might be covert, sly, clandestine, or secretive. Stealth. The next word this week is ravine. Ravine. Now, this is a noun, so it's a place, and it's a narrow, steep-sided valley, commonly eroded by running water. So this is a very deep ravine. You can see there might have been water over thousands and thousands of years that carved out this deep, almost kind of like a hole or a crack in the ground. Um, Other synonyms for ravine would be abyss, canyon, chasm, ditch, gorge, or valley. A good sentence might be, I won't go too close to the ravine because I don't want to fall inside. Or you might say, I was exploring the ravine the other day and I noticed beautiful rockwork inside. Ravine. The next word this week is tuft. Tuft. Now, this is a noun, so it's a thing, and it's a cluster of small, unusually soft and flexible parts, as feathers or hairs, attached or fixed closely together at the base and loose at the top ends. So you can see this is a tuft. It's tight on the bird's head here, but you'll notice it gets looser and more kind of just pops open and free as it goes away from the bird's head. So this is a tuft. Synonyms might be bunch, cluster, collection, feathers, or plumage. I might use a sentence that says, I saw a tuft of hair on the top of my cat the other day. He was angry at another cat. Or I might say, the beautiful bird had an amazing tuft of feathers at the top of its head. Tuft. The next word this week is sylvan. Sylvan. Now, this is an adjective, so it's a descriptive word, and it means of or relating to or inhabiting the woods. It can also mean consisting of or abounding in woods or trees, wooded and woody. I might use the sentence, I was walking through a sylvan area the other day when I noticed a beautiful woodpecker in the tree. I might also say the area was a sylvan oasis of beautiful trees and forested landscapes. So I'm describing a beautiful piece of land with lots and lots of trees and woods. Synonyms might be rustic, forest-like, wooded, or woody. Sylvan. The next word this week is sanctuary. Sanctuary. Now, this is a noun, and it typically refers to a sacred place, a sacred or holy place. It can also be an especially holy place in a temple or church. So, many religions around the world, Christianity, Judaism, Islam, they all have these types of sanctuaries or churches, mosques, or synagogues where people come to worship. But it doesn't have to be a building. It can be a place of nature. Like you can say, the mountains are my sanctuary away from the busy city. Or some people like to joke about restaurants that they like to go to. They say, oh, Starbucks is my sanctuary. It's a place where they feel happy, where they feel like everything is whole and or holy. Synonyms for this word would be shrine, temple, altar, holy place, sanctuary. The next word this week is Ophidian. Ophidian. Now, this is an adjective, so it describes things, and it means belonging or pertaining to a suborder comprising the snakes. So, anytime you refer to something as being like a snake, you could use the word Ophidian. I might say Voldemort was an Ophidian like character in Harry Potter series. He always was described as looking like a snake. He was always described as snake-like and slithery, so he was Ophidian. It can also just be used as a noun to describe a snake itself. So synonyms would be reptile, snake, serpentine, or serpent. Ophidian. Well, thanks so much for joining us. This was week 20 for my sixth grade students, and here was the words we learned today: stealth, ravine, tuft, sylvan, sanctuary, and ophidian. Well, thanks again for joining us. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.